MC Parrot, the CEO of Gossip Parrot Comedy. We are here because of the coronavirus wey dey happen for this country. You see this country, coronavirus make everything cost. When Ebola come, Ebola not be like this. Why coronavirus cost for pass Ebola? Now garri dey cost, everything dey cost, meat dey cost, pepper dey cost. Ladies and gentlemen, Madam, my name is MC Parrot, the CEO of Gossip Parrot Comedy. Madam, I want to ask you, what is the make people dey shave market for you?
This morning they are not saying we will not shave the normal place. They will call you say one sickness causing a coronavirus.
So yes. What do you know about coronavirus?
Now sickness we just know. We don't know where it comes from.
Okay, see, I hear say other things dey cause. Why is they call the cause for this country?
We not just know, just from nowhere. We just see everything they cause.
Everything they cause.
Yes, just like that. We don't know what is happening.
So that coronavirus, so where we say they talk so now from which country come?
I don't know.
You know the country.
I know if I see who get the sickness, I'm not going to know. Just like that, the same sickness come. They can't make everything cost for the market. We not be able to buy something. Normal market will be the shades. Now this morning the community people some more can't shade the primary school.
Now wow. God will make Nigeria people to survive. Stay safe. Stay away from coronavirus. Good afternoon. My name is MC Parrot, the CEO of Gossip Parrot Comedy. What do you know about the coronavirus where they keep people?
We don't understand it.
You don't understand?
No.
You don't know anything about coronavirus?
I don't know anything.
Okay, why people call shade there? Yeah, no be market where say all the people they share before.
Government for sure come up for market now. Government say not the market.
Say not the market.
No.
For no reason. For no reason. So market now na private school they say they do am.
So now.
Hey.
Now you just see so.
Okay, I want to ask you, this country na front they go, I been back they go.
Whether na front, whether na back, we don't understand them.
Why people go from market they call they share for primary school, for primary school to secondary school, now back they go.
No, now we dey so we dey look am now. They look government. They say they bring money come over, we never see am.
They bring money come make they share give everybody.
So that may hungry not beat us, but we never see the money.
Madam, this is coronavirus. Now which country you come from, sir?
I don't even know now. Yes, they are there.
You don't know.
No.
You don't know.
No.
And you hold meat for hand, though.
At the price am now. Whether I go fit survive.
Where you go still survive? You go survive now. How about they sell basket of garri now, sir?
They say na 1.5.
1.5. How you say garri shape?
You know say before na 3,000, but now.
Good afternoon. Now be MC Parrot, the CEO of Gossip Parrot Comedy. Please want to know what is the meaning of coronavirus that killing people in this country?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah.
So you just come here.
Just come here because we just heard about it, but I don't know what it is. It's coronavirus only we hear. Corona 12.
Koro 12. Okay. So why people come move from market because they shade for?
Because of Koro.
That's the corona virus. So you don't know the country where you have sickness you come from. You don't know how you waka.
I know she waka. They say they fly.
They fly. They keep people.
When shake person don't enter.
So I keep
person enter. You talk to person enter.
You shake, you enter a person.
Body.
So if the sickness dey person body, how you go tell no say the person get the sickness?
Oh, the person just like a mumu.
I beg, I want to know what do you know about this coronavirus wey dey kill people?
Coronavirus actually is a kind of a disease that is originated from China.
Yes.
And coronavirus is a kind of a disease that penetrates or transmitted through cough or being a hand touch or sneeze. It can be transmitted. And this coronavirus can kill very fast and easy like never before.
So this coronavirus, how can you know as in to transmit or transfer to human beings? How?
It can be transmitted through cough and sneeze.
Yes. So, and this coronavirus wey dey talk about so, this thing wey dey cause for this country, everything dey cause as far as now coronavirus dey make things go dey cause.
Actually, we have been passing through different diseases Like there was a time we passed through Ebola, we passed through Lassa fever, even yellow fever, and all kinds of disease. But sickness does not make things to cause in this.
Okay, good afternoon.
Thank you.
What do you know about this coronavirus?
Coronavirus.
Yes.
I don't understand what they say coronavirus can they do for Nigeria again. What is this kind of nonsense? Eh? Did you say can't even come worse? Everybody now they shut down for waiting for coronavirus. I don't know how this can enter Nigeria.
Okay, if you tell us which country this coronavirus come from, sir?
Me, I don't even know. They say na from whether na Italy, whether na China. I don't know. I didn't tell what carries Nigeria, and I not can't understand again.
So this thing where they cause now coronavirus, now they cause am.
There's no coronavirus, so my brother. So me, I not just understand this kind of nonsense what they do.
So, okay, like now, if they ask you say where the coronavirus dey, if you know.
Me, I don't know where they do. They just tell me say mark at this room, just like that for waiting. What are they do for this room? Wait to see if we turn a problem. I call this room say coronavirus, and coronavirus not anywhere.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.